It's really important that you add your Webex meeting room link to your D2L course in an area that students can find quickly and easily. We require that your Webex link live in the content area in a module by itself, right underneath the course information section that has your syllabus and other course information. The reason why is because we don't want this Webex link buried in a different module so that students really have to dig for it. We would prefer that it's at the very top level so that they can quickly and easily access it. So let's test how to actually create this. I'll create a new module by going down to the bottom and choosing Add a Module. And I'm going to add Webex link and hit Enter or Return. And that should show up in my list of modules. I'll grab this Move handle and move it up to right underneath course information. This is a test course, so that's why you see all these different test modules up here. But there we go. So what we need to do is we need to add a URL to this module now. In order to do that, we need to have the URL copied into our system. I'm going to go over to my Cisco Webex meetings page. I've already logged in. And here's the link to my meeting room. So I can click in here and triple click and do Command or Control C to copy it. Go back over to D2L. And in the Webex link module, click on Upload, Create, and choose Create a Link. Then I can give it a title, and I would recommend just putting the URL for the title and the URL right now, just in case for some reason if they can't click on it, they can at least copy and paste this, or at the very least view it and type it, try to type it exactly. So I do want this to open as an external resource so that it opens in a new tab, but their D2L class stays in another tab. I'll click Create. And then it opens up into this window, but that's not what students will see. Back in that module, they'll just see this link.